Hey there, it's Carrie from Zarmoney Academy. Invoicing is a crucial part for the customer and is usually created through a sales order, but not until the customer pays for the product or service received. Generally, there's a printed document or an electronic document of the transaction from the seller to the customer. This supplies proof of sale and keeps a record for bookkeeping. So, what is an invoice and how does it work? An invoice is a document that's generated by the seller for the customer for products or services. In the invoice, the seller provides the product, description, quantity, price, discounts, payment terms, and any other requested terms that were generated by the sales order. Here is a detailed example of how it works.
To create that invoice, log into your Zarmoney account to access your dashboard. You'll need a few pieces of information to create an invoice, including the customer's name, address, the details of what you're selling classified as items, the associated description of those items, and the prices you will charge your customers. So let's create a sample invoice now. First, go to the Sales option on the menu drop-down to Invoices and click the plus sign to create a new invoice. Once you're on the screen to create a new invoice, click the magnifying glass to select the customer you've already added. To create a new customer, click the plus sign. Let's create an invoice for our new customer, Keisha's Flowers, by adding all of her details. Zarmoney can send invoices directly to your customers if you've linked an email address or fax number to their customer information. To do that, enter her email address and fax number here to avoid having to manually enter it in the billing and shipping address on each individual invoice later. Enter customer billing and shipping here as well. If you want to continue adding customers, click Save and New. In this case, we're just adding Keisha's Flowers. So we're going to click Save and Close to continue filling out our invoice. Select the correct payment terms from the drop-down to let your customers know when their invoices are due. From there, choose an item to add a description, add a quantity, and verify your prices. Add more one-line items to complete your invoice. Once you're done, double-check to make sure everything is correct. Hit Save and Close to complete your invoice. Notice the icons on the top right. Hovering, we can see options to email or print invoices. To print your invoice as a PDF, click Print. In this case, we're going to email our invoice, so we click the email icon because we've already included an email address. It populates here, but if you didn't include it, you can always add it. Now you can also blind carbon copy someone like your office accounting department by entering the email address in the BCC line. After you've proofed everything, just click Send to deliver your invoice to your customer. So that's perfect. We just sent an invoice to our customer. In this module, you learned how to create an invoice, add a new customer, and send an invoice to your customer.
For more training tips, check out our videos in the Zarmoney Knowledge Center. And for more information regarding Zarmoney, visit us at zarmoney.com. Until next time, I'm Carrie Lane, and we'll see you where it counts.